Got my Darn Good Yarn of the Month subscription in the mail. Let's see what we got. Oh, so cute. Look who we have here. Say hi, Duct Tape. Duct Tape's wanting to check out what I got here. Got some yarn. Oh, where'd my tag go, Duct Tape? Okay. Evidently somebody... Okay. Alright, so this month we got Darn Good Fancy Twist Flamingo Pink 50 yards, and it is a bulky. That is so pretty. And oh, the bag. I actually have this bag right here, but I got this one now in a different design. I love the bag. Alright, let's check out our patterns. Ooh, actually, that's really neat right there. Okay, the patterns. Okay, we got a little bag, treasure keeper pouch, and here it is in the crochet version. Ooh, we got two patterns. So, or we have the ear warmer,